How to become a millionaire in 1 year. Welcome to our video on how to become a millionaire in 1 year. In this video, we will explore strategies and ideas that can help you achieve wealth more quickly and efficiently. It's important to emphasize that the goal of this video is not to promise magical formulas or miraculous solutions to get rich overnight. Becoming a millionaire in 1 year is an extremely ambitious and challenging goal, and for most people, it can be difficult to achieve. However, the purpose of this video is to provide valuable insights, share proven strategies, and inspire to adopt an entrepreneurial mindset, smart financial planning, and a constant search for growth opportunities. We believe that wealth is not only measured in terms of money, but also in personal accomplishments, financial freedom, and the ability to live a fulfilling and satisfying life. Therefore, throughout this video, we will address various aspects that can contribute to your financial success. Among the topics we will explore are setting financial goals, developing an entrepreneurial mindset, intelligent investments, increasing income, and saving/reducing expenses. These key areas play fundamental roles in the journey to wealth, and by understanding them and applying appropriate strategies, you will be on the right path to achieve your financial objectives. We remind you that financial success requires time, patience, dedication, and discipline. There is no one-size-fits-all formula that works for everyone because each person has their own financial journey. However, by acquiring knowledge, developing skills, and implementing the strategies we will share, you will increase your chances of reaching a more prosperous future. Therefore, be prepared to absorb the information and adapt it to your personal reality. Commit to continuous financial education, making conscious decisions, and maintaining a growth mindset throughout this journey. Let's begin by exploring the first topic, setting financial goals. Remember that you are in control of your financial destiny, and with the right knowledge and strategies, you can take the first steps towards wealth. Topic 1. Setting financial goals. Establishing clear and realistic financial goals is the crucial first step to achieving the wealth you desire. Without a clear vision of what you want to accomplish, it will be difficult to chart an effective path towards your financial objectives. Therefore, let's explore the importance of setting financial goals and how to do so strategically. First and foremost, it's essential to understand why setting financial goals is so important. Goals provide clear direction and purpose for your financial actions. They help guide your decisions and priorities, keeping you focused on what truly matters and achieving the desired wealth. When setting financial goals, it's recommended to divide them into 3 categories: short-term goals, medium-term goals, and long-term goals. This allows for a balanced and realistic approach to your financial planning. Short-term goals typically refer to financial achievements that can be accomplished within a period of up to 1 year. This may include creating an emergency fund, paying off short-term debts, or making small initial investments. These goals help build a solid foundation for long-term financial success. Medium-term goals have a time horizon of 1 to 5 years. They involve objectives such as saving for a home down payment, investing in education, or starting your own business. These goals require careful planning and ongoing commitment to ensure you are on the right track to achieve them. Lastly, long-term goals span a period of more than 5 years. These goals are related to building significant wealth, such as achieving financial independence, securing a comfortable retirement, or attaining financial freedom to pursue your dreams and life projects. Long-term goals require a broader vision, appropriate investment strategies, and a mindset of perseverance. Topic 2. Developing an entrepreneurial mindset. Having an entrepreneurial mindset is a crucial factor in the pursuit of wealth. This mindset goes beyond just thinking like a business owner. It involves adopting an attitude of initiative, creativity, and a constant search for opportunities. Let's explore how an entrepreneurial mindset can drive your efforts towards wealth. An entrepreneurial mindset opens doors to new possibilities and approaches. It allows you to see opportunities where others only see obstacles. By adopting this mindset, you become proactive, capable of identifying market gaps, solving problems, and creating value for people. Learning from mistakes and persisting in the face of challenges is a crucial part of the entrepreneurial mindset. Successful entrepreneurs understand that failures are part of the process and view mistakes as learning opportunities. They persevere in the face of adversity, overcoming obstacles and adapt to changes in the business environment. This resilience is essential in achieving wealth because the path won't always be easy, but is necessary to keep moving forward. Moreover, the entrepreneurial mindset involves taking calculated risks. The fear of failure often prevents people from pursuing opportunities that could lead them to wealth. However, entrepreneurs understand that taking risks is necessary to achieve significant results. They carefully assess the risks involved, making informed decisions, and are willing to step out of their comfort zone in pursuit of growth and success. Seeking business opportunities is another crucial aspect of the entrepreneurial mindset. Entrepreneurs are always attentive to trends, market needs, and consumer demands. They are willing to explore new sectors, innovate, and find ways to create value. By identifying profitable business opportunities and seizing them, they increase their chances of achieving the desired wealth. Developing an entrepreneurial mindset requires a proactive approach and a constant desire for learning and growth. This involves acquiring knowledge, seeking inspiration from successful entrepreneurs, being open to new ideas, and having the willingness to act with courage and determination. Topic 3. Smart investments. Investing smartly is essential to drive your journey towards wealth. In this topic, we will address basic concepts about investments, highlight different investment options, and emphasize the importance of research and professional guidance. A fundamental concept is portfolio diversification. This means distributing your investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, cryptocurrencies, among others. Diversification helps reduce risks because if one investment experiences a decline, others may offset that loss, maintaining stability and the growth potential of your portfolio. There are various investment options available, and each has unique characteristics. For example, stocks represent ownership in a company and offer the possibility of profiting from the business's growth. Real estate, on the other hand, can be a way to generate passive income through rent or asset appreciation. Cryptocurrencies are an emerging market, offering high return opportunities, but they are also more volatile and risky. It's important to emphasize that research is crucial before making any investment decisions. Study each topic, evaluate the risks and potential returns, and make informed decisions. Additionally, seeking professional guidance, such as a financial advisor, can provide valuable insights and help build customized investment strategies for your goals. Topic 4. Increasing income. Increasing income is a crucial part of the pursuit of wealth. In this topic, we will explore strategies to boost your income, such as seeking promotions at work and entrepreneurship. One way to increase income is to pursue professional growth opportunities. This may include seeking a promotion at work, upgrading your skills and knowledge, and seeking new responsibilities. By demonstrating commitment, performance, and proactivity, you can advance in your career and increase in your earning potential. Additionally, it's important to develop skills that are valued in the market. Identify the competencies that are in high demand and seek learning and improvement opportunities. This may involve participating in courses, workshops, or obtaining relevant certifications in your field of expertise. The internet offers numerous opportunities to generate additional income. You may consider creating an online business, whether it's selling products or offering services. There are online platforms and marketplaces that facilitate the marketing of digital products, freelancing, coaching, among other options. Harnessing the power of the internet can open doors to significant extra income and even create a full-time business. Topic 5. Saving and reducing expenses. Saving money and reducing expenses is crucial for accumulating wealth. In this topic, we will provide practical tips for saving in your daily life, suggest ways to cut unnecessary expenses, and emphasize the importance of creating a budget and regularly monitoring your spending. To start saving, it's important to analyze your everyday expenses and identify areas where you can cut costs. Small changes can have a significant impact on your end balance. For example, you can cut discretionary spending such as impulse purchases or frequent dining out, and opt to prepare meals at home. Additionally, seek ways to save on recurring bills, such as electricity, water, and cable TV, by using them consciously and negotiating more suitable plans. Another way to reduce expenses is to eliminate high-interest debts such as credit cards or personal loans. Prioritize paying off these debts by allocating extra resources to clear them as quickly as possible. This will not only reduce your monthly expenses, but also prevent you from paying unnecessary interest. Creating a budget is a fundamental tool for controlling your spending and ensuring that your expenses align with your income. Set limits for each spending category and regularly track your expenses. There are apps and spreadsheets that can help you effectively track your expenses. By having a clear view of where your money is going, you can identify areas where you can save and take steps to improve your financial situation. Additionally, it's important to be mindful of promotions, discounts, and special offers when making purchases. Research prices, compare options, and find ways to get the best value for your money. By developing the habit of being a conscious consumer, you can save significantly over time. Conclusion: becoming a millionaire in 1 year is not an easy task, but with effort, dedication, and discipline, it's possible to achieve long-term financial success. We encourage you to put into practice the strategies presented in this video, adapting them to your reality and seeking continuous improvement in your personal finances. Remember that the journey to wealth is unique for each person, and results may vary. The important thing is to stay focused on your goals, learn from challenges, and seek opportunities to grow and prosper financially. We wish you success on your journey towards wealth, and may the strategies presented in this video serve as a useful guide on your path to achieving your financial goals. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, share it with the people you love, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.